Warning, this video may contain scenes of extreme untidiness. Viewer discretion is advised.
Alrighty, so my brush mower, I'm sorry, I've got a goat over there that's screaming at me, he's hungry. We're nursing this baby goat. I should have some baby goat footage right here. Goat, jump. So cute. So, we've got this little baby goat. We're nursing it. But, apart from that, I need something to clear the brush until he gets big enough to do the job. So, obviously, I've got a little field mower, or brush mower here, or field mower really is what it is. And it's made to mow heavy grass, basically, or very small weeds, or smallish weeds, but not heavy weeds like blackberries and small trees that are coming up. And it uses this plastic wire, which literally won't cut it. I just went up and tried it, and you'll see when we're done with this, I'll show you a side-by-side of before and after, and hopefully the after will be better than the before. But I can't know that until I actually try it. But I just tried this, and it mowed it a little bit, and then both of the plastic things came flying off or broke or whatever. So we're going to replace the plastic parts with, where'd they go? DeWalt demo blades. And I'm hoping that these saw blades will cut. The saw blades might just grab fibers and bind up. And if that's the case, I'll just turn them around. So they'll be just blunt force trauma cutting with the backside of the blade. But we're going to try it with the front of the blade first, see what happens. Now, on this brush mower, I've got, this is the head that holds this plastic cable normally. They just go in here, right? But I don't want to mess with that. I've got this lower part of the head, and it's got 3 bolts in it. And they're 1/4 inch bolts. So I'm going to slide this up out of the way. All right. Tighten those down later. It's got 3/4 inch bolts I got to take out, and then I'm going to take these blades and I'm going to drill a hole up here, which is going to be very hard. Probably the hardest part of this job is to drill a hole up here, and then those are going to go onto those blades so that they'll be able to still swing or onto those bolts. And I've got some grade 8 1/4 inch bolts that I'm going to use to attach them with. I had to get a carbide bit. This one's made for masonry, but I'm hoping it'll drill through these blades. I mean, it's carbide on the tip, so it should, but it's not the right geometry for metal. But I want to drill through all 3 blades at the same time to make sure I got my holes as matched up as I can get them. Sweet action, that worked pretty good. 3 of them. Now all I have to do is go bolt them on and test it. This is my nicely organized workspace, and that is goat urine. He came over here and decided to pee. I guess he didn't pee on my ratchet, which is probably good, but he peed right where I was sitting.
Right in the middle.
Goats. Mr. Peabody, go. This is making my video much more difficult.
It's making your video much better, though.
Alright, I got my 3 blades with holes in them. Now I just have to put them on here. I think, hey Logan, go give that a slow pull.
Peeing again.
I need to make sure. How much urine you've got in you? Here, pull on that cord a little bit. I want to make sure that I know the direction this spins. Oh, never mind. I can tell which direction it spins. All right. Okay, so, all right, I'll put that on there. Lock nut on top. Oh my gosh, he's still peeing. He peed a huge puddle there. He peed a puddle on my tools over here. And he just sneezed on me. I felt chunks. You're gross. He's still peeing.
Oh, he stopped peeing.
What the heck? Go away. No.
Oh, you stepped in it.
Right. My gosh.
Nope, no eating dad's bags.
Don't eat my camera stuff.
Hey, stop it.
All right. There it is. Triple DeWalt Death Blade. I hope one of them doesn't come off and end up in me somewhere.
Yeah, that would suck.
Nice. Starting this could be harder because of those heavy blades on there, and they're not probably in balance like the plastic.
Or not.
Oh yeah.
No way.
Ah!
You just bent a blade.
I lost one.
You lost one?
Man.
Did it break?
Yeah, broke it.
Damn.
Well, it worked really good while it lasted.
I know, it's killing it.
I done killed like 3 $15 DeWalt blades too, probably. Well, as you can see here, these weak DeWalt blades did not hold up to the job for which they were totally not designed. So I'm pretty disappointed in that, mostly because I was really hopeful that they would work well. But I've got a new plan. So these were too brittle, and otherwise they worked really well. So I went to the hardware store, I picked up 3 of these 10-inch straps, and they are just, oh man, those blades knocked the notch in my thing here. I just realized. So I'm going to put those straps on there, which should be just about maximum, but because they're a lot heavier, I'm going to replace these bolts with 5/16 bolts. I'm going to pull these out, drill them out, and then put these on there instead. I'm not going to bore you with all that, so I'll get back to you and this is all put together. So baby goats make life very difficult. Back. Get off. No, stop. It is crazy. He's frantically trying to climb on me for some reason. No. Over there. Go find something to eat, like one of my wrenches. Here, look at this. Here you go. No. All right. This is attempt number 3. So far we're 0-2 against the bushes. And Logan's theory is that I can go slowly and it'll work, but if I go fast, because I didn't sharpen these, they're just going to bog down. My theory is that one of them's going to get bent, it's going to go all to whack and it's going to destroy the mower somehow.
He stole that one from me too.
Yeah, well, you're smart. I raised you that way. All right, here we go. Kind of scary, actually. A lot heavier.
Oh no! Oh, what happened?
That fell off.
Oh no!
I might just need to stick with the plastic blades on this.
Yeah. It.
But these are fine. What happened? How did that? Are they too long? Did this get? Oh, when I dragged it back,
It got pushed into
back?
it. Yeah.
So maybe I just need to cut these off. They're not bent.
No. Well,
There's
they're
nothing wrong.
a little bit bent.
The mower is not destroyed.
Yeah, we survived. The mower survived.
You're right. Oh, look, it's actually bent that way. Look at it. Look at.
Yeah, they're bent sideways
across the curve.
Yeah, see, look at. They're bent side. Here, look at
Wow.
that.
Oh, you can see where this hit.
Look at
See
that.
this right here? See this notch? That hit right there.
Oh, that's the wire cutter.
Okay, so it looks like I need to make them a little shorter, maybe.
Ah, you absolutely slaughtered the inside of this mower.
Dang it.
That sucks because now it actually might be able to get
Well,
up.
still got that other defender thing. Okay, well, I'm gonna go back down there, take them off and cut them shorter, I guess.
All right.
So there was a plastic piece here that directed the grass off to the side, which is now missing. I have no idea where it went. It's got to be back in there somewhere. But I took these bars, which were 10 inches, I shortened them up to about 6 with a little bit of a taper on the end, just I don't need all that weight out in the end. We're gonna try it again like this. So that obviously suffered a little bit. I might be able to reattach it. But here we go. It'll work. All right, let's check them and see how these blades are. Not bad. None of them are bent. So, on the fourth try, so the first time was the regular plastic that goes on here. The second time was the DeWalt blades, which shattered. The third time was these blades, which were too long and damaged my safety shield back here. So I'm going to do some work and fix that safety shield because I don't want one of these in my leg. And this third time with these cut off, it's working good. So now I'm going to cut some trails through this brush here for deer paths. So thanks for watching. And if you're enjoying my stuff, hit that like and subscribe button, and I'll probably do something stupid again later. So see you next time.